How to install Copilot on Mac. So first of all, you'll need to go to copilot.microsoft.com on your web browser. Once you're there, there is a get the app button, but if you're on a Mac device, it's not going to be able to work at this current time. But in future, maybe that'll be different. So if you click on there, it might work. If not, what you want to do is go ahead and click the sign in button. Then you can sign in with your university email, with your personal email, whatever can have access. Then you'll want to click the top right hand corner once you're logged in, signed in, where it says customize and control Google Chrome with 3 little dots. Scroll your mouse until it says save and share. Then you want to click on install page as app. Then click on the install button at the top there, and you're going to see it opens up in your Chrome apps. That should be Copilot right there, and you'll see it kind of pop up. That's where you can go to your Launchpad and you'll see the Copilot app open there. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.